Struggling to wireframe forms quickly? You're not alone. But what if you could create a user-friendly form layout in minutes? Watch this video to learn how. Today, we'll use our super easy-to-use tool, MockFlow, to create a quick registration form wireframe in less than 2 minutes. Let's start by dragging a simple rectangle onto the canvas to serve as the container for our form. You can adjust its size using the width and height options in the sidebar. Additionally, customize the rectangle using the available options in your left sidebar. Now, let's add a clear title. We'll use a text component and label it Registration Form. This helps users understand the form's purpose. Customize its size, color, and style using these font settings options. Position the header as desired, and instead of creating each form element individually, utilize our Forms UI pack. It includes all the ready-to-use, native form components you need. Open the pack, look for the label component, and drag it onto your canvas. You can customize it with your desired font and size. Now similarly, bring all the other required components you need in your form. This is an example of a registration form here, but you might be working on a sign-up form, contact form, consent form, or anything else. The beauty of using MockFlow is that it comes with ready-made elements, so you don't have to create and group them from scratch like you would on other platforms. The Forms UI pack in MockFlow is a huge time saver with all its pre-made components, whether it's a date picker, checkbox, radio element, button groups, all of them are readily available. And remember, the Forms UI pack is just one of many available. There are tons of UI packs for quick wireframe creation, perfectly designed for different devices, platforms, and elements. Let's give the final touch to your form by adding the Submit button. Find it in the sidebar. Then drag and drop it into place, adjusting its position for a smooth flow. Now, your form is ready to be refined and aligned with your brand's guidelines and design before passing it on to the development team. Remember, this is a wireframe, so prioritize structure and clarity over aesthetics. MockFlow lets you create wireframe forms in under 2 minutes with its ready-to-use components. Next time you need to wireframe a form, use MockFlow and see how quickly you can get it done. Follow for more tips.